Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IIT Encoder. This is neither a solution nor a video tutorial, please don't get me wrong. This is just to explain you the question. So if you haven't understood the question and you want to understand the question and some few test cases, then go ahead and watch the whole video. So you are given this is a question, replace for x. So you are given an array of n integers a1 to an and 3 more integers xp and k. An operation on the array is defined to be replace the kth smallest integer in the array with any integer you want and output the minimum number of operations you must perform on the array, possibly 0 to make the pth smallest element of the array equal to x. If it is impossible to do so, output -1. The kth smallest number in an array is the kth number from the left when the array is sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay, and the constraint on n is sum of all does not exceed 4.10 raised to 5. So you can use a time complexity that obeys this. Um, so I will explain to you something. Wait, wait, yeah. So there should be an array in non-decreasing order. Okay, that means a1, a2, a3 till an. Suppose these are the elements of the array. Then by the kth smallest number, we mean the kth smallest number would be ak and the pth smallest number would be ap. So we can change ak to anything we want, and we want to make the value of ap equal to x. If this is possible by doing any number of changes to the value of ak, then we output the number of operations minimum, otherwise we output -1. So I hope you understood this question. This was all that I could explain in the question. There is only one test case here given, like oh sorry, there are two test cases given here. So try to think. Okay, I will give you a hint. The number of test cases you need to think are quite less. Like there are not much corner cases here. Just think of three major test cases and you will be done in that. Okay, so I hope you understood this question. Please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts or anything, leave it in the comment section. Please stay tuned for the video tutorial that will be coming up after the October Now challenge ends.